We use computers for just about everything.
Whether it's for home, work, school, or entertainment purposes, our computers deliver. But sometimes there's just not enough power under the hood. To solve this problem, you need to upgrade your RAM, or you could buy a new computer. The smarter solution would be to upgrade your RAM, because it's cheaper and, well, a lot easier, actually. So, what you want to do is, before you buy anything at all, you want to make sure that you know what you're going to buy. To find out what you're going to buy, you could either use the Crucial Memory Finder tool, which I will post a link to in the description, or you could simply open up your computer, which is done by first taking out the battery, which is for safety purposes, and then popping open the hatch, which is a little stubborn. You want to be gentle with this as it is plastic. And once you open this up, there's a lot of stuff here, but none of this should be of any interest to you except for something that looks like that. That is RAM, my friends. So what you want to do is zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Grab these little things, this thing, and simply extend it or pull it apart like that. And then take the RAM out, focus it, and right on that should be your specs. So this is a 4GB PC3 10600 card. This is a SODIMM, in case you do not know. It's used in laptops and notebooks. So, now that you know that, you want to search for items that support the specifications that you found inside your laptop. And once you've done that, you want to buy that in whichever amount that you would like, ranging from 1GB to more than 16, I think, although 16 is quite expensive. I have here with me a 4GB stick. As you can see, it supports the same specifications that we just found out over there. And now I shall install this. This is done by lining up the pins, as there will be this little notch right here on most cards. You want to simply get that in there. I have 2 slots in my laptop for putting in RAM, and only 1 slot came in with a stick. So some of you may only have 1 slot, which already may be filled. In that case, you will have to replace that RAM with the RAM you buy. So you simply press down on that, and now you will have 2 cards, or depending on how many cards you already have in there and how many you bought. For me, it's 2 sticks of RAM right now, totaling 8GB. So what you want to do is pop that back in, which of course is a lot easier said than done. What's this? Oh, don't be afraid to push on this a little, because they are tough, as I said, but not too hard, as it still is plastic. Pop the battery back in. Make sure everything is in. It's all sturdy. You want to flip your laptop back over. Open it up, and I want to power it on. So once you've logged into your computer, you want to go to Start, Computer, System Properties, and down here, right over here, let me try to see. It'll say 8 gigs of RAM, or that's what it says for me, but however much you decide to put into yours. And we have a warning from Avira, and which is also spamming us. Ironic. Oh, one more thing. Let me just go back to computers, and it will say, well, I think you saw that, but it will say your Windows Experience Index needs to be refreshed. You want to go ahead and click that because you've installed or changed a part of your computer, so it's going to reevaluate. And it'll say that the Windows Experience Index is not applicable on batteries, so I can't do it right now, but you can go ahead and connect it up to AC power and reevaluate for yourself. Go ahead and close this. So yeah, that was a basic tutorial on how to install new RAM into your computer. You also learned how to take it out, place it, and the works. So, if you enjoyed this video, or, well, I don't know how you might have enjoyed it, but if this video helped you, please go ahead and give it a like or a comment. If you have any questions at all, please do post it in the comments, and I will do my best to answer every one of them. So, again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in another video.